Here is a fantastic math problem. We have three equations involving logarithms and we have to determine the values of x, y, and z. Pause the video now and try it out yourself. Then leave the answers in the comment section because now I'm going to give you the full step-by-step solution. The first thing to notice is that in each of the equations, two of the logarithms have the same base. For example, in equation 1, we have log base 9x and log base 9y, but the third log has a base 3. This pattern continues in the other two equations. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to manipulate log base 3z. Using the change of base formula, we have that it is equal to log base 10z divided by log base 103. Now we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. The logarithmic rules allow us to bring the 2 to the exponent and we end up with log base 10z squared divided by log base 103 squared, which is simply 9. And now finally, using the change of base formula in reverse, we have log base 9z squared. So log base 3z is equivalent to log base 9z squared. We can extend the same logic to log base 4y, which is equal to log base 16y squared, and log base 5x is equal to log base 25x squared. And after making those substitutions into the original equation, we notice that all of our bases are now the same. This allows us to then use the product rule. So the first equation becomes log base 9 x times y times z squared equals 2, log base 16 x times y squared times z equals 1, and log base 25 x squared times y times z equals 0. Then we can convert each of these into their exponential forms. So we have 9 squared equals x y z squared, 16 to the power 1 is equal to x y squared z, and 25 to the power 0 equals x squared y z. Then if we multiply the three equations together, we end up with 1296 is equal to x to the power 4, y to the power 4, and z to the power 4. And with some algebra, we can determine that x times y times z is equal to 6. Using this fact, we can make the substitution into one of our equations, which was 81 is equal to x times y times z squared. This means that 81 is equal to 6z, and z is equal to 81 over 6. Using the same process, we get y is equal to 8 over 3, and x is equal to 1 over 6. Hope you enjoyed the solution. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you need any sort of math tutoring, then shoot me a message. I can tutor you online, or if you live in Mississauga, then you can come to my tutoring center for in-person help. And as always, follow for more math.